This is either gonna go really, really good or really, really bad. At this point, I'm just doing a color series. I just feel like there's so many colors in the world. I need to try them all. But I want to try something new. So I found this braiding hair at the beauty supply store, right? It's in the color Dragon Fruit. And it's just regular, you know, Expressions braiding hair in 42 inches. Now, the idea in my mind is I want to create French curls. I know y'all seen French curls before. They are super pretty in braids, but I've seen and I have done French curls using a crochet install, and when you install it, it looks like this really pretty roller set body wave hair. I can't describe it. I've seen plenty of tutorial on how people DIY French curl braiding hair, so I'm going to try my best to recreate that. I'm trying something new and y'all are coming along for the journey. So when I was looking on TikTok for the best way to curl this hair, I think I saw one creator use she used a broom, just a regular broom, and she wrapped it around to get the look. I'm going to try to do this just because I feel like it'll be faster than wrapping each of the hairs around flexi rods. I should be able to do one full pack or 3 bundles on this one rod, and then once I wrap it, I'm gonna pour hot water on it and let it air dry, and we'll see how that comes out. If this fails, this video won't go up. It probably still will go up, but if this is a fail, I don't want my curls to be too big, so I am going to split each bundle into 3. I'll take this piece, do a little knot. Okay, so upon further review, it is so much faster and easier to just wrap them on my flexi rods instead of doing the broom. My left side and my right side of my brain don't be working well enough to try something like that because I was struggling to wrap the hair. So because the flexi rods are a bit smaller, I feel like I could get a better grip on it, thus making the curls last and look a little bit more how I want them to, you know? $4,000 years later, I finally got them all on the flexi rods.
Hey, you the king, Burger King, with a bad little mommies. You know I wanna rock your body. You know I wanna do some things. I tell that pussy out the frame. We some top flow, penthouse, sweet type niggas. I am not a rapper, I'm a boom boom killer. Slim, handsome.
Yeah, this is what it's looking like after taking them all. They're still quite wet, so I'm honestly just gonna leave them to air dry for however long it takes me to do this install. Yeah, so I'll come back in a few days, few weeks, few months. Who knows what it's gonna be before I put this hair in my head. But I'll catch y'all then. So the curls have been air drying for I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's been about like 2 weeks since I've curled this hair. But now I'm finally ready to put it in my head. Hold on my teeth.
What is that?
I just ate some rice. Rice and braces do not go. Anyways, it's finally time to do this install. I don't know, 2026 got me feeling a little different. In terms of this hair, I'm worried about the separating of it. I have done a couple of test strands just to see if it was possible for me to split the hair, and it is. This is what the hair, oh, this is a bad piece. The curls done drop. Oh Lord, y'all. I'm gonna put that one in the back because I ain't got no type of curl to it. I'm gonna see if I can actually split them. I am going to be super gentle in the splitting process just to see. Actually, I lied. Rip it. Rip it. I don't know. The curls look kind of suspicious. If I hate it, I hate it. I'm just gonna take it out of my head and it is what it is. When it separates and cooperates the right way, the curls look super pretty and bouncy. It looks like a a roller set, and I love that. I'm gonna come back when I've braided my hair down and show you guys my braid pattern. It's gonna be similar to most braid patterns I've done in the past, but yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I finished braiding my hair. It's really nothing fancy. I just did 4 braids going straight back because this is the braids that I'm gonna do, like my invisible knots, double-sided knots, whatever you want to call them, on these braids, and these 2 anchor braids. And I just kind of did whatever in the back. The back really don't matter because I'm going to put a net on, so I can just put the hair wherever I feel the hair is needed. Let's try some of these pieces that I have already pre-split just to be on the safe side. I do wish it was a tad bit longer, like I had gotten the 58 inches. I thought the 58 inches that I did for the blue hair was going to be too long, but it was actually the perfect length after I curled it. This one is kind of on the shorter side, but it's fine. I'm still going to put it in. But it was not the aesthetic nor vibe that I was going for. I feel like it's going to kind of give a loose body wave type of vibe, which is fine. I don't even know really the look that I was going for, but I know that this hair is not going to give me that look, so I'm just going to start along this back braid and just fill this up as much as I can. Mind you, I can't see nothing. I'm going strictly off of feeling and vibes. The curls are cute. I just don't know how long they're going to last. That's my biggest concern. They're pretty though. I just feel like they're not going to last longer than 3 days. Alright, y'all know what it is. I'm just going to go and do my filling in of the hair. And when I get a little closer to the top, I'll come back. Yeah, I remember this one. This one was a struggle to get off the flexi rod, so I'm actually gonna throw that to the side. I thought I was recording when I cut the cap. I'm so annoyed. Whatever. I just cut the cap off, and these braids that I'm gonna do my invisible knots are now exposed, so I'm gonna start doing that process. I don't know though, y'all. It's super light. Like, it's so lightweight. I just hope this movement remains. I need these curls to keep bouncing, because if they're not bouncing by day 3, it is getting the snip. I ain't never had no problem taking out a hairstyle out of my head quickly. I think that's because I can do my own hair, so I've never been pressed to like keep a style in for long. I know sometimes y'all be wanting like updates on the hair and want to know how the hair is holding up, but if I don't like it, or if I'm tired of it, or just ready to switch it up, I'll take it out in a week. I don't care. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Y'all don't be in the comments asking me how long it lasts. I don't know, because it's not going to be the answer y'all want to hear, to be honest. Just a quick reminder, if y'all wanted to know how I get my sides to look so natural, the way that I knot it, I'm going to show y'all real quick. So I push my crochet hook in, pull it under, then I grab a strand in the front, pull that back, and then I go back under the braid, and then grab that same strand that I was holding and pull it through again. And I don't pull it tight. It's so loose. Not so loose. It's secure, but it's not loose to the point that it's hurting my head, or tight to the point that it's hurting my head. And that, when you do that all along your hairline, you won't see any of the knots. So after you tease it, it looks super natural. Oh, also you want to make your strands pretty small on the sides, because the smaller the better. I'm doing my scissors. That is one thing. When I'm doing my hair, I swear my scissors and my comb be jumping off a ledge, going for a walk, going to meet up with they bae, and then come back, because I'm always losing it. All right, y'all. All the hair is in. First impressions, hate it. First impressions, I want to take this out my head immediately. But I'm going to work with it. I'm going to try to zhuzh it up. I don't know what it is about it. It's not the curls. Like, the curls are fine, I guess. And I don't know if it's the color. It might be the color a little bit. I don't know. I know I said in the beginning I was seeing the vision, but I'm losing it. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm still gonna do what it do. Make it shake. First, I'm going to mousse it up. And I am thinking about cutting it. I think I might cut it to like shoulder length maybe. Still a little fuzzy on the details on how I want to actually style this install. Before I start teasing and doing all the things, I am going to do like a preliminary cut just to kind of get the shape that I want going. I probably am going to mostly wear this in the middle. And this hair did have quite a bit of like straggly pieces. So I'm just going to cut those out now before I start doing anything else. So I'm gonna start on the side and start teasing. I'm gonna tease the back or the front of the braid, I guess, and the front of it also. Let me finish and do this and do some final touches, and then I'll come back and show y'all what it's giving. Alright, I cut it and shaped it to what I think it could give to be cute. I don't know, but I do know I am about to spray my roots. This is my regular High Beams Intense in the shade Brown Black. I didn't want to do a stark black because I felt like that would have been a little too harsh. I kind of want to bang. No, am I doing too much? Y'all know I love a bang. Hold on, let's see some. Did I ruin my hair? When in doubt, always bang it out, because that is going to be the solution every single time. Yeah, I'll be back. I don't know, y'all. This might be the least favorite style that I have ever done. I am just not feeling it. I am not feeling it at all. We might have to go back to the drawing board on this one. We might have to. I've done all that I could do to this hair. Don't know if it's like the color or the curls themselves, but I don't know. Something about it is throwing me. And I've cut it quite a bit. It started off like here, and I've been like inching it up. Let me know in the comments how y'all are feeling about this one. If you would try it, if you feel like this is a color that you would do, if I totally messed up the look and the aesthetic, if it's just me or the hair, y'all let me know. It'll be a cute little in-between style, I guess. Anywho, thanks for watching this tutorial. I don't even know if it's a tutorial for real. A look and learn, a show and tell, a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Let me know if y'all try it. Hey, bye.